If your wellness content keeps getting flagged, throttled, or quietly buried, I want to show you something that changed how I write every single post. Most people treat these as two separate problems. There's the staying inside of my scope so my license is safe, and there's pleasing the algorithm so that my reach is safe. Two different headaches, except they're not. They're the same headache and they're wearing two hats. If you think about what gets a health post suppressed, it's claims that something cures, treats, or reverses a condition, guarantees of a medical outcome, or language that reads like medical advice from someone presenting as an authority. Now, think about what crosses your scope of practice. The exact same things: diagnosing, treating, promising outcomes, directing care. So here's the part that takes the pressure off. When you want to stay and write inside of your scope, you're already writing the way that the platforms want you to. You don't have to learn two rule books. You learn one, and it covers both. A quick example. This reverses insulin resistance, will trip your scope and the algorithm. Here's what the research says about how movement supports healthy blood sugar and what to ask your provider. Stays clean on both. Same topic, same passion. One sentence is a liability and the other one is an asset, and the only thing that changed was the wording. I built a free one-page tool to catch the difference before you post. It's the 3-question scope check. It's linked in the description. Write it safe one time and it's safe everywhere. Subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.